Have you ever wondered how the massive wars reshaped our world in just over 30 years? Let us take a journey back in time to understand the epic conflicts of World War I and World War II. It's a story of empires, technology, and human endurance that still echoes today. First up, World War I, also known as the Great War. It raged from 1914 to 1918. Picture this. Europe is a web of tangled alliances and simmering rivalries. All it took was one spark. On June 28, 1914, Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria-Hungary was assassinated in Sarajevo. This single event set off a catastrophic chain reaction. Alliances that were meant to keep the peace did the exact opposite, pulling nation after nation into the conflict. On one side, you had the Allied powers, which included France, Britain, and Russia, later joined by the United States. On the other, the Central Powers, led by Germany, Austria-Hungary, and the Ottoman Empire. What made this war so terrifyingly different was the fighting itself. This wasn't a war of gallant charges on horseback. This was the age of trench warfare. Millions of soldiers lived and died in muddy, rat-infested trenches that stretched 4 miles across Europe, particularly on the Western Front. Imagine being stuck in a narrow ditch, with the constant threat of enemy fire and disease. Between the trenches was no man's land, a barren wasteland of barbed wire and shell, craters that soldiers had to cross during attacks. The technology of war had taken a horrifying leap forward. For the first time, machine guns became a dominant weapon, capable of mowing down hundreds of men in minutes. Poison gas, a silent and agonizing killer, was deployed, causing horrific suffering. Tanks made their debut, clanking across the battlefield, and airplanes, once a novelty, became tools of reconnaissance and combat. The scale of the casualties was unprecedented. Entire generations of young men were wiped out. The Battle of the Somme, for instance, saw over 1 million casualties in just a few months. After 4 long, brutal years, the Central Powers couldn't sustain the fight. Germany, facing internal revolution and a collapsing front, signed an armistice on November 11, 1918. The war was over, but the world was forever changed. The peace that followed was fragile. The Treaty of Versailles, signed in 1919, officially ended the war but placed heavy blame and crippling financial penalties on Germany. Many believe this harsh treaty did unsolve the old problems, but instead planted the seeds for the next global conflict. And that brings us to World War II. Just 2 decades later, from 1939 to 1945, the world was plunged into an even deadlier war. The unresolved issues from the First War, combined with a global economic depression and the rise of aggressive, nationalistic regimes, created a perfect storm. The war officially began on September 1, 1939, when Germany invaded Poland. This time, Britain and France didn't hesitate. They declared war on Germany, and the conflict escalated rapidly. Germany's Blitzkrieg, lightning war, tactics using fast-moving tanks and air power quickly overwhelmed much of Europe. France fell in 1940, leaving Britain to stand alone against the Nazi onslaught. The war became truly global. Germany was joined by Italy under Mussolini and Japan, forming the Axis powers. They aimed to dominate Europe and Asia. On the other side, the Allied powers grew stronger. The Soviet Union, initially in a pact with Germany, was invaded in 1941 and joined the Allies. And in December 1941, Japan's surprise attack on Pearl Harbor brought the mighty United States into the war. The scale of World War II was staggering. The fighting spanned the globe. From the frozen steppes of Russia and the deserts of North Africa, to the jungles of Southeast Asia and the vast Pacific Ocean. Battles like Stalingrad D-Day and Midway involved millions of soldiers and decided the fate of nations. Technology had advanced even further. Aircraft carriers became the new kings of the sea. Radar changed air combat, and the war culminated in the development of the most destructive weapon ever created. The atomic bomb. Beyond the battlefields, the war brought unimaginable horrors. The Holocaust, the systematic genocide of 6 million Jews and millions of other victims by the Nazis, remains one of the darkest chapters in human history. Civilian cities were firebombed, and the total death toll from the war is estimated to be over 70 million people, the majority of them civilians. The end came in stages. In Europe, Allied forces pushed from the west after D-Day, while the Soviets advanced from the east. Trapped in Berlin, Hitler died by suicide, and Germany surrendered in May 1945. In the Pacific, the war continued until the United States dropped atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945. Faced with this new, terrifying power, Japan surrendered, officially ending World War II. These two wars fundamentally reshaped our modern world. They led to the fall of old empires, the rise of the United States and the Soviet Union as superpowers, the creation of the United Nations, and the beginning of the nuclear age. Studying them isn't just about learning history. It's about understanding the forces that continue to shape our lives today. Thanks for watching. If you found this journey through history interesting, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. See you next time.